What's good, guys? It is Trav here from Neighbourhood, and welcome back to our August HubSpot update. We've got a bunch of exciting updates for you this month as HubSpot continues to elevate its platform to improve how you find, sell, and keep your people right through 2023. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Starting off with a feature that will soon drop off the HubSpot map, it is the sunsetting of pop-up forms. Customers can now use the call to action tool to create button CTAs, banners, or pop-ups to add to their pages and attract new visitors instead of the legacy pop-up forms tool. Customers will now need to use the CTA tool starting from July 17th. Users will still be able to receive submissions through the existing pop-up forms and can continue to edit and update these assets. Now, jumping into what's cooking inside the public beta. First up is the additional filtering across several marketing tools, making it possible to dive deeper into discovering the exact records that you are looking for. Users will now be able to use the OR filtering feature, now being supported in the marketing campaigns, lists, workflows, forms, and the new CTAs tool, as well as the feedback survey responses. Next up in the public beta is an updated and consistent set of default system pages and emails for CMS Hub, Marketing Hub, and Service Hub users. Users now have an easier way to view the system pages they have set with a neutrally branded set of system templates and emails that are automatically established. This means that you can get a website up and running quickly while being confident that the system pages look professional and ready to be set live. This beta is available for CMS, Marketing, and Service Enterprise, and the below tiers only. Next cab off the rank is a nifty new tool that allows super admins to view centralized real-time audit logs of their users' login activity and security-related actions that users have taken in the account. So why is this important? Admins are often the point of contact for both their account users when things go wrong in their portals and for their companies to provide details and data for security and compliance audits. Rounding out a brief public beta, we're now pumped to announce a stack of live features that have hit the ground running in August's HubSpot update. First up, for what's live and kicking, custom objects can now be found through their custom properties by only partially typing the value in the custom property. You can now either type the text that you remember from the beginning or from the end of the custom property, and the global search will try and match with custom properties that you have a keyword in their prefix or suffix and return the relevant custom object. Another easily accessible feature that offers more power at your fingertips is HubSpot's newly announced launch of a new template marketplace, featuring hundreds of powerful web designs composed of themes and new standalone modules. We'll include a link for this in the description below. Next live feature is the addition of daily AI-powered duplicate checks that automatically scan for new duplicate contacts and companies and show potential matches to merge within Merge Duplicates tool. This scraps the manual hassle of bouncing between duplicate records and allows HubSpot to take monotonous tasks off your hands. HubSpot recently introduced a new feature that enables users to schedule meetings for their peers within the meeting schedule flow. This made it easier for teams to understand who is booking meetings and for which staff. Recently introduced to Sales Hub Pro and Enterprise users, this feature is now available for Service Hub Professional and Enterprise paid users as well. New to HubSpot Live features is the ability for users to trigger workflows when an event happens. This allows for more timely and personalized automation and better matches the way in which customers think of automation. Some updated triggers include form interaction and form viewed events, property value change, and custom behavioral event triggers. Live and kicking for our fellow marketers out there is the new feature that allows you to filter page views by UTM parameters in lists. Now, as a marketer, you rely on UTM parameters to easily track and identify the original source of your website visitors. Creating lists based on who's interacted with your UTM-based links allows you to understand performance and engage with those contacts in the best very way. If you're chasing for greater conversions through Google Ads, then this one is for you. Google Enhanced Conversions is an ad conversions event feature that you can improve the accuracy of your conversion measurement and unlock more powerful bidding. It supplements your existing conversion tags by sending hashed first-party conversion data from your website to Google in a privacy-safe way. As cookies go away and ad tracking becomes more limited, it's important for advertisers to get their conversion data back to the ad networks in a secure, privacy-first manner. Adding to the recent updates in the ads front, HubSpot has just introduced the ability to create ad goals right within the ads tool. You can now create 4 different ad goals and track their progress from the Analyze tab right within the ads. These include contacts from form submission, cost per contact in a lifecycle stage, network conversions, number of contacts in a lifecycle stage. Setting goals for ad campaigns is a vital component in running ads, and it will allow you to keep track of how well your campaigns are performing. Rounding out our HubSpot update this month is the introduction to automatic email notifications when users collect a recurring subscription payment or if their buyer's payment fails. This is a game changer as HubSpot Payments customers want to be notified when important revenue collection events occur. Previously, customers needed to crank out a workflow and enable notification triggers by these events. An additional issue being these notifications lacked important details such as products and services purchased. And that's a wrap on our August HubSpot update. I hope you've enjoyed these updates and as excited as we are here at Neighbourhood to test out all these neat new features. Now, if you want to learn more about HubSpot, please check out our online training by signing up with a free trial today. With this do-it-yourself onboarding package, you and your team can learn at your own pace with hours of hub by hub training. Or if you think you might need a bit more of a help in understanding what you need to be doing and to get the most out of HubSpot, sign up for our free portal audit today. Both links are in the description below. Well, that's it from me, guys. Have a fantastic August and happy HubSpotting.